I can't, honey. I'm doing the ironing right now, so I now. Oh, hey, how is it going? How is it going right here? Hey, for sure, that was a bad acting. Well, today I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this ironing board, this foldable ironing board that this brand sent to me for the video. So I was just like playing around with it, and of course, I think it could be really convenient for a couple scenarios. Number one, if you lack of a space, this could be a really good one because when it's prolonged, as you can see over here, it is about like 52 by 14 by 36. So it's quite big, I think. So just judging by how easy to assemble this one is. By the way, everything comes explained right here in this instruction manual. It's going to take you, I want to say probably like 15 minutes, no more than that, 20 minutes top, no more than that, with power tools or without power tools. But as I was saying before, this one is foldable, so you can actually kind of like put it against a wall or behind a door or in a closet or something like that. So it could be really good if you lack of a space. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this one is super convenient to have if you like to iron, because there's not too much people that actually like to iron, but if you have to, this could be really convenient. Comes right here, as you can see, with a mat right here with a place for like a standing for your iron right here, so you can actually let it rest over there. And something that I believe is really convenient right here for the cable, so you're not kind of like messing around with the cable and just like have to move it around or something like that. You can actually have this one, which is gonna actually follow you. So that is a really good thing. Then let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, this one, it is super convenient to have. It has a soft cushion over here, so that is really good for ironing like t-shirts or things like that, like delicate things I want to say. But this cover is actually, you can remove it. You can remove this cover and wash it in case that something happened. As I was just telling you before, you have the place for the ironing right here for the iron, so you can. This one is super small. It's like a travel one, so this is not a good example. But it comes right here with two silicone pads, so you're not gonna have any issues. If you need to hang on something like this one, for example, you need to hang some clothes, you have right here these three places for the hangers, or something that you can actually fold and put in right there. And as I was just telling you before, you have this one for the cable, so that's gonna be good for sure. Then it's actually folded, but before I want to show you something else down there. You're gonna see that comes with a place for you to hang some clothes or fold some clothes and put them in there if you need in the meantime. But for sure, the most convenient thing is gonna be how you can actually fold it. So you're gonna have, let me show you right here. You can see how lightweight this one is, by the way. Right here, you're gonna have a handle. This handle, you're gonna lift it, and when you lift it, you're gonna be able to actually move it and fold it just like this. You can fold it like this and have this one. Once that is just like that, you can lock it. You can drop that handle over there and you can lock it. So this is what's gonna become, by the way, let me show you one more time how easy this one's gonna be and how lightweight it is too. It's gonna be super easy for you to put it against a wall, against a like a closet or something like that. You can do it that way, super nice and easy. So I think this one is pretty convenient. And it could be your next ironing board, super soft, removable cover, about like 52 by 36 by 14, foldable with a place for the iron, place for the cable, some stands right there, some like kind of like shelves right there to organize everything. And for sure, super easy to assemble as well, super easy to fold and put it in compact mode. Like it, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.